Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're now on to the last of the C50s that we have for sale, lot number 61. It's in this rare purple, but also has the original front basket, €1,750 1997 bike with just over 15,000 miles on the clock. Front of the bike is in nice condition, no real pitting or marks on the front alloy or spokes. Front tyre looks in good condition from fork, and mudguard also very nice. Some slight signs of rusting on the basket itself, but again nothing too major. Front headlamp assembly looks good. Front or the plastics itself in the centre look nice also. Some rubbing and signs of rusting on the gear selector here, as well as the rear chain. Side mount or side stand is in good condition, or side stand has some slight signs of rusting. Same with the main stand, but again centre of the bike looks great. Original seat on it. Some slight signs of rusting on the rear rack here, as well as the top of the suspension arm. Front wheel here looks in good condition. Front spokes and alloy good as well. Front arm, front forks and the mudguard itself good condition also. The front basket again, signs of rusting. Plastics good condition, some slight signs of rubbing on the engine mount, as well as rusting along the underside of the exhaust here. Centre of the bike looks in great nick. Original seat again. Some slight signs of rusting at the top of the rear suspension and on the rear rack. Spokes good condition, as well as the rim itself, and finally the rear mudguard is also in good condition. Bike is priced at €1,750 and we'll be taking €150 deposits to secure the bike for arrival in September. 1997 bike with 15,000, just under 16,000 miles I should say. If you did like the video, please do leave a like, as well as comment down below what you think of the bike, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.